Hi guys, I'm doing a little project in Kiki's room today and has something to do with that big massive panda bear behind me. I'm Hester and you are watching Handmade Home. Kiki's been a really bad sleeper lately. She's been very good, but the last couple of months she just keeps waking up, complaining about monsters and not wanting to sleep in her own bed on her own. And we tried everything. Kiki's making a lot of noise just down there. Kiki, what are you doing? Helping. But I thought maybe it's a panda bear because he is rather large. Look at him. I actually hung him a couple of months before Kiki was born. It's a project for a client who wanted me to show on the video how you hung photo wallpaper. So I chose the panda bear because I thought he might be rather cute. A little kiddie room. So we had him for a while. But you never know, I just want to eliminate that he might be the problem. So we're going to take the wallpaper off. Hopefully the wall's going to look amazing and intact. And then we're going to hand paint on some rainbows because little Kiki is rather rainbow obsessed. You like rainbows?
Ah!
Is it a rainbow?
There's lion.
Oh, it's a lion. Okay. Yeah, you can help me take the wallpaper off? Yeah. Good stuff. Should we say bye-bye, big panda bear?
Bye-bye, big panda bear.
So, who thinks that if I take this off, the whole wall's going to be damaged? I really hope that's not the case. Because I really hope if I just pull it off, maybe I need to pre-paint the wall, but hopefully it looks great. So, fingers crossed, here we go. So Kiki says she's going to do the last one. Go! Now do it, you do it. Very gentle. Good job. Need some help? Can I help you? Yeah. Come on, you hold there then. Panda bear on my stairs now. Might save him just in case I want to reuse him. That came out really easy. It literally took 2 minutes. Yeah, I forgot I had to do some lines here because I didn't really line them up, so there's a little bit of pen on there and there's some tiny stains. So I think I'm just gonna give it one coat of white paint, let it dry, and then we can paint our rainbows. Lost my assistant. And these dinosaur wraps. Okay, let's start painting. I just scraped the last bit of white wall paint I have out of the barrel, so hopefully it'll be enough. So I just painted the wall. Looks good. Put a little fan heater on there. Thinking it might dry a bit quicker. It's one corner and the top I need to do a second layer. So I don't think I got time today to also do the rainbows as it's 3:30 already. So the light goes by 5 now. So I might pick you up again tomorrow. But the idea is that I'm gonna paint rainbows with all these tester pots I have. There's a lot of Annie Sloan wall paint, all these lovely colours. And I'm just gonna mix them and make little rainbows. So I'm quite excited about that. But yeah, that will have to wait till tomorrow. So I will see you guys again tomorrow. And we're back. Good morning, guys. So I let it dry overnight. And I got a nice blank canvas there now.
Hello.
Oh, hello. You're here too. We are ready to paint. Gosh, the weather has turned. It's so dark out. It's raining and windy outside. It's quite dark in this room. Having the lights on, so we can have a little bit of shadows happening when we close to the wall. But yeah, I have to bear with that. What we're going to do first, I'm going to put a little bit of paper on the wall for Kiki so she can help me paint too.
My brush, Mama.
I showed you these colours yesterday, but tester pots are great for projects like this. And I think we're just going to work with these. I'm not keen on having really bright colours in her room. There's also quite a lot of colours in here already. So I think we're just going to maybe go with this. Maybe that, 4 colours, maybe 5. Let's have a little look. I might, oh, fluff. I'm not keen on too bright yellows. I might just mix a bit of dark color to that. And also I found this, some glitter paint. So I might add some glitter too. I think we just have to have a go. And not all the rainbows have to be the same. They can be different colors. I haven't used these in a while, so I'm gonna get a good stir. But these are all Annie Sloan paints, besides the sparkly one, that's Rust-Oleum. And these are wall paints, which are great because they're very durable. But for a project like this, you can just use normal chalk paint too. I'm loving that colour. Okay, paint's ready. Let's freestyle. First strokes, I was a bit like, hope this goes well. So I chose the nice light blue. And let's just go for it.
Mommy, help him.
Can you help me? Yeah, you can help me.
Mommy, where's the paint?
Oh, I'm gonna get you paint.
Yay.
So, got paint for Kiki. And baby wipes are ready because this might go horribly wrong. So Keeks, there you go, sweetheart. Kiki paints on the paper. Mommy paints on the wall, okay?
Yeah.
Do the side. Kiki, there, that's the paper. There you go. There you go. Are you doing rainbows?
This purple.
Kiki's deserted me already, but only a tiny bit of paint on the wall, so that's the result. But I did a few just to try out. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to use one colour at a time. I'm just going to set them on the wall and then do other colours later. I think it's nice that these look freehand. So I'm using my brick brush. But I do think it's nice to have neat edges at the bottom. So with some of them, if it doesn't come on neat enough, I'm just straighten them up with a phone. Sorry, I'm just straightening them up with a little brush. So that's all the blue done. And did you help me, Kiki? Did you do some good painting? Slight incident with Kiki deciding to do handprints. Uh-oh, got paint on my face. Oh dear. Well, this one a bit of lunch, so that's what we're gonna do. Have some lunch and then we're gonna do the other colours. Huh? Say see you in a little bit. Just a few more bits and I'm done. And then you take away the piece of paper Kiki paint on and then paint a big rainbow there. But I think this one might be my last one. I think that's it for my wall of random rainbows. Loving it, really liking it. And it looks like the weather finally cleared up. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Coming as well. Hello. You say hello. And the weather finally cleared up, so I think we can go walk the doggy. Should we go outside?
No.
No. Oh, and by the time, well, we're going, that's dry, and we can style your room up and we can have a look how we like it. Yeah? Good job. High five. Yeah. See you guys later. I'm gonna film some cute footage of Kiki jumping in muddy puddles, but this happened. Have to do it, Mr. Carrot. Hey, Cams? Gonna jump in muddy puddles. very pleased with the wolf. It looks really nice. I think having this here instead of the big panda bear really brought the whole room together. I think it's very cozy and comfortable here now. Is she gonna sleep through a night? I don't know. The last 2 nights since it's been on, she did wake once instead of several times, so maybe it is an improvement. But yeah, if you got any things to stop her sleep, let me know. Hey, you're here. So what do you think?
Hello.
Hello. Do you like your new rainbow ball? Yeah, is that nice? Did you help me paint? Are you gonna sleep tonight? Are you? Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to my channel. And we'll be back with a new video soon, won't we, Kiki? Should we say bye-bye?
Hi.
Bye, see you soon.
See you soon.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. Those are the colors of the rainbow.
That pink too.
And pink too. And sparkles.
No.
No, no sparkles.
And black.